Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to finish off the dump pipe and hopefully fix all the exhaust leaks. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with this build. You've seen it run, now let's get it out on the road. Alright boys, on the first start video there was a lot of smoke going on around here. We obviously need to finish off the dump pipe, so we need to weld on the 3-inch V-band. It's quite late, so what I'm going to do is actually only do the V-band on the lower section, because I'm not going to be cutting that anymore. That'll be this section that I need to chop off, maybe 10 mil, to allow for the difference in the thickness of the V-band. But yeah, I'll just do that. Tomorrow we'll come back and do the upper part of the dump, get that on. Probably got this 2-inch V-band that's down here. That might be loose a bit. And we did have some more chuffing of exhaust gases up this way, so I have to have a little look around. Hopefully once that dump pipe is on, it's going to quieten it down quite a bit and make it a bit easier to find any exhaust leaks. Hopefully that wastegate down there doesn't have a leak, because that's going to be a pain to get to. Right, need to clean up a bit first. There we go, bit cleaner. Alright, so I've got the verniers here. Need to measure this inside gap, which is going to be very hard. Alright, so that lip to that lip is about 18 mil. Alright boys, we are ready to weld on this bottom flange here. As you can see, had to clean it up a bit. Yes, I was actually wrong about that. It goes that way. So this one is actually the same as that end. Yeah, so it flows a lot better. Sick. Hopefully I can get these past. Yeah, I'll be able to get them through there. No worries. Alright guys, that is fully welded now. Also found a leak here, so I touched that up. I welded that up, as you can see. These are the new ones from before, so the car hasn't actually run since doing these. But yeah, that was obviously an old leak, so there was still a hole there. I looked at the rest of it, looks okay. So yeah, tomorrow we'll put the other one on and get the full system on, and we'll get her started with the full system on. Should be nice and quiet with the stock muffler at the back there with the valve closed, so that there's nothing going through the whole straight pipe system. But yeah, gonna head inside and come back tomorrow. Hi boys, it's the next day and I've got the saw out, so let's measure it up and cut that one. Also, the Haltech wideband sensor came in. It's recommended for that sensor to go 3 feet or a meter downstream from the last turbo. So I'm going to put it in that one, because this one's definitely not 3 feet. Alright, finally back out here. It's actually late, it's actually 10:30. Need to clean off the inside there and we are ready to weld. Actually, I need to clean off around here too, so it's going to get a good weld. Alright boys, so this is all welded up. Just gotta wait for that to cool down and put it back in. Alright boys, I've got the bottom half down there. Obviously, because that was done yesterday, we'll just wait a little while for this to cool down. Maybe even just slap it in there tomorrow. We've got to figure out how we're going to put this O2 in. So I need to obviously cut this white wire, and we won't worry about that just yet. Yeah, pull that out. The gauge is just going to be obviously just a visual for me, and the Haltech's going to be running off the Haltech O2, which is going to be on the dump pipe where the old rear O2 was. So it's recommended a meter, just like I said, so it's roughly that. Yeah, I guess we'll probably come back tomorrow. Alright boys, the exhaust is all on now, cooled down enough to do it tonight. That V-band is so close to that wastegate, probably about 5 mil. Yeah, everything is pretty damn close down there. Alright, I'm going to tighten up this 2-inch, see if that tightens up anymore, and then we've got to figure out how to do the O2 sensor. Alright guys, it's about 12:30 and I just kept going and I installed the Haltech O2 sensor. So it's coming through into the footwell of the driver, across, and it's all set up. I've cut out the wire here, I've run it back through, so it's no longer connected, so I need to deactivate that one and activate obviously the CAN one. But it's 12:30 and I've got work today, so I'll come back and we'll do that, and that should be it. I'll give another fire up tomorrow and check for some more leaks. So I've done the dump pipe to mid pipe up tight. I've done that one down there tight. I'm not too sure about this one. I think it is pretty tight. The 2-inch one to the GT35 is tight. So yeah, we're going to be chasing exhaust leaks. I know I am. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Alright guys, it's the next day. So got the garage door open and that one. And we're going to start it up again. See if there's any more leaks here and see how it looks out the back. Alright, here we go. Well, we're definitely going to leak. Yeah, on the up pipe to the TD05. There's a nice big leak there. Alright guys, so definitely got a bit of work to do, but I'm going to wrap this episode up here. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.